Good morning, Sudarshan Reddy Gudur. Female orgasm. The true female orgasm. Female also gets the true female orgasm. Man and woman were introduced in the world long back ago, many lakhs of years back ago. Maybe Yuga before many yugas. Still nobody explained about the true orgasm, about the true female orgasm. No great researchers, no great doctor, no great rishis explain the true female orgasm. I am going to explain the true female orgasm. We know that in orgasmic state, male orgasm or penis produces waves from bigger wave to smaller wave, wave to wavelet. The waves helps in releasing the semen. We all know that. The female organ or the vagina only feels the waves of the male orgasm, male penis orgasm, but it did not produces orgasmic waves in general, in so far to the world knowledge. Speed cannot lead to female orgasm. Lead cannot speed to female orgasm. Hard and strokes also cannot lead female orgasm. Then how can she gets the orgasm? We know that female orgasm, when in the orgasmic condition state, female organ or the penis produces waves, bigger wave to smaller wave, wave to wavelet. The female vagina only feels the orgasmic waves of the male organ penis, so but not produces her vagina did not produce self waves. We know that this is uterus. You think this is the bigger one is all this is uterus. This is cervix. This is the collar of the cervix. Bigger penis pushes the cervix and the uterus to the back state. Bigger penis pushes the penis, the cervix to back state. But normal shorter penis could not touch the cervix or the collar of the penis of the uterus. In generally, most in sexual positions, penis did not touch the uterus or the cervix or the collar. So, in all of these conditions, cervix is not becomes active. That means cervix is becomes very inactive. Cancer theory, we know that whenever any part of the body not regularly works or rest always in the becomes in a always in the rest position, then their neuron decreases slowly. Only activity produces or increases neuron in the body. If inactivity means there's a death state, that means neuron decreases to very low level state. When neuron decreases to 50 watts neuron, that is when neuron decreases to Sudarshan's cancer critical low neuron bands, find cancer effects in the body. Thus, in the regular normal sex positions, in the all the people's sex practicing, cervix or the collar is not becoming activity; they are becoming inactivity. So their neuron decreases to very low levels, and cancer develops in the cervix. This is the main cause of the cervical cancer. How can we stop this cervical cancer, or how can we give female or true female orgasm? There is only one position, there is only one method. Male has to allow female to sit on him. Male has to allow sit female on him, facing is face to face. Then whatever may be the size of the penis, immediately cervix and the penis or glands of the penis will touch each other. Then there is a special method to female orgasm. As I have said, female orgasm is a very, very hot and frigid condition. So we have to break that frigid condition by playing longer time by the same method, by hook lock and glide and glass method. Hook lock, hook cervix and the glands of the penis should be hook locked and should break and should not be break. Give strokes. One is both should be give strokes, but the condition they should not be break. For they have to play for longer time. We know that in the male orgasm, male gives strong strokes. So female also must practice stroking in the orgasmic condition. By practicing 4-5 days or some for 4-5 longer practice periods, the female orgasmic hardcore or frigidity breaks and she gets female orgasm, true female orgasm. What is the true female orgasm? In the male orgasm, male organ or penis produces waves. In the female true orgasm, female vagina also produces waves, just like the penis orgasmic waves. They produce a stronger wave from first time, then slower wave by wave decreases to wavelet. In the good condition, good sexual play, male orgasmic waves will be synchronized with the female orgasm, female vaginous orgasms. Male orgasmic waves will be synchronized with vaginal orgasmic waves. We know that if female orgasm, we know that how waves develop in the female orgasm. First time bigger waves, then slower waves, last time very, very slow wave, that means wave to wavelet. In this process, semen will be released. And the female orgasm also coincides with the male orgasm waves, then it helps to produce semen very, very easily. It helps releasing the semen very, very easily. Think that it is a male organ. It is a vagina. The vagina first presses very strongly. That is my bigger level. Then slowly until the wavelet. That is the female orgasm. Female orgasm, immediately she falls in the sleeping. Immediately she falls in the sleep. Even the game is not over at all. She sleeps for more than 4-5 hours continuously. Very, very strong sleeps. Every time she falls into sleep when she gets the true female orgasm. Is there any secretions in the female orgasm? Yes, some I observed many times. A droplet of white part secretes from when female gets female orgasm. Some white spot, maybe 1 mm or 2 mm diameter, surrounded by the egg-like white, and it's the long tail. It slowly slides down the vagina. I have observed many times. When she gets female orgasm, she always try to ride on you. She always try to ride on you. She never allows to ride you on ride you on her. Moreover, as I have said, once the orgasmic frigidity hardness is broken, she can get orgasm very very simply within 2 minutes also. But both should be give strokes continuously. Then it will be truly paradise of the sex to male and female. Even within 1 2 minutes, she get orgasm. Female orgasm will be possible by mouth organ or mouth orgasm. You know that what I mean. Jai Hind.